What's going on? Garrett here from my10ksystem.com, and in this exact video, I'm going to reveal the 4 simple steps I took to generate $4,000 within the last 48 hours online. Now you can see right here that I'm in my Stripe account. Now Stripe is just a merchant account that I get paid affiliate commissions through, and you can see that right here, okay, April 8th, which was yesterday, I generated $2,000. And April 7th, I generated $2,000, okay, $4,000. Now, this is using high ticket affiliate marketing. Both of these were just one affiliate commission, okay, a $2,000 commission and a $2,000 commission. Now, before you think that high ticket affiliate marketing is harder than regular affiliate marketing, it's really not. And as you follow me in this video, I'm going to share with you these 4 simple steps so anyone, doesn't matter your background, doesn't matter your previous experience, doesn't matter if you've struggled to generate a single sale online, if you stick with me through this entire video, you're going to be able to go out there and start to make money with your affiliate marketing business. But before I dive into that, if you're new to my channel, I share step-by-step beginner-friendly methods on how to get traffic, leads, and sales with affiliate marketing. Be sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell right now below so you're always notified of my latest videos. Also, I've been online for 5 years full-time with affiliate marketing. If you'd like a free video to discover my #1 recommended affiliate system to generate high-ticket affiliate commissions even on autopilot, be sure to click the first link in the description and get access now. Without further ado, let's dive into these 4 steps. So I have a document right here. Now, these are the 4 steps I took to make $4,000 in 48 hours. Now, the very first step is we need to find a high-ticket affiliate program to promote. When I first started online many years ago, I was struggling to generate my target income goal per month because I was promoting these little itsy bitsy tiny commissions. You know, I'd make $25 here, $50 there. And if you have a goal of, let's say, $10,000 a month, it's going to take you a small country of people joining you every single month just to even get close to hitting that. So the secret is really to find a high ticket affiliate program. Now, one of the best ways to do this is just go to Google, okay, type in high ticket affiliate programs and look at some of these blog posts, okay? So this one right here has 20 high ticket affiliate programs for 2021. Now you can just open up these links and, you know, do some research, okay? See which ones you resonate, okay? This has a pop up here, but you would just go through and look over these different programs. Now, again, I personally use a specific program and, you know, I have the link below. I like that one specifically because it has multiple different income streams built into it, okay? So this is an example of the one that I'm actually using right now. It's called the multiple income funnel. And again, you have right here, you know, at least 4 different income streams that you can earn reoccurring and instant paid commissions, okay? This one right here, number 2 and number 3 are both instant paying, okay? Now with income stream number 2, this is Easy One Up. This is exactly what I sold to generate, you know, $2,000 in 2 days in a row. And Easy One Up is basically a platform that has video training on how to build a successful online business. And the cool thing is, when you make a sale with Easy One Up, you get paid 100% instant paid commissions up to $2,000, okay? So this is really powerful. And with this specific system, okay, right here, this gives you the ability to actually generate Easy One Up commissions, okay? Now, the next step is we want to create a capture page or use a system that has one, okay? Now, a lot of people that go out there when they do affiliate marketing and they just send people right to their affiliate sales page, okay? They go to ClickBank or JVZoo and they just get the sales page, their affiliate link. They try to get some people to go to it and they struggle because most people are actually not going to buy instantly. Think about yourself, okay? If you've researched a product online, chances are the very first day you didn't just part with your hard-earned money. You did some research, you talked to your spouse or your loved ones, you started to think about it, and then after about a week or 2, you made a decision, okay? So we need to capture that person's email with a capture page and then follow up through emails, okay? Now, if you don't have a capture page, I recommend just using a system that has one, okay? Again, the link below, you can go to the tab, okay, with links, and it gives you these capture pages that you can literally just send people to, and they'll put their email in. Okay, so here's an example. When they click the button, they'll put their name and email in, and now the system will start following up for you through emails. Okay, and that's actually the next step. So step number 3 is you want to have follow-up emails, either written. Okay, so if you want to do this yourself, you can join an email autoresponder service like GetResponse or Aweber, and you can actually craft your own follow-up emails that start going out as someone puts their email in. Again, you want to direct people back to the affiliate sales page, so after about 7 to 10 exposures, they make that buying decision and they join through your link. Or again, the easiest way, if you just want to get started the way that I'm actually doing, is you have a system follow up for you. So again, with the multiple income funnel, when someone puts their name and email here, the system will actually start following up. They'll send emails to this person, and it will have your own coded affiliate link in those emails. So it doesn't matter if it takes 30 days for someone to buy, you'll still get tracked for that sale and you'll be able to make commissions. Okay. And step number 4, the very last step, again, in this very simple process, you don't have to overcomplicate it. So many people think it's complicated. They watch different gurus and, they get overwhelmed. It's really just these 4 steps. The last step is, once we have a high ticket affiliate program, we have a capture page, we have follow-up emails. Now we just need to send consistent traffic or people to the front of that capture page. Okay, we just need to send them to this page, because the more qualified and targeted people that we can get to go to our website right here, the more people put their email in, the more people get followed up with, the more people decide to buy, and the more money that you can actually start to make. Okay, you can see right here. So what you want to do is you want to implement these steps. Now, again, I'm going to leave a link directly below so you can actually join the multiple income funnel. It's my #1 recommended system. You'll see a free video that breaks down the system in more detail, and you can start to go through the process. You just follow these simple steps. Okay, set up your different income streams, set up your e-wallet. Okay, the e-wallet is for income stream number 1 and number 4. You get paid with an online wallet every Friday. And again, you can start to generate money with high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, how do we get traffic? Basically, what you can do is just use the tab, okay, inside the multiple income funnel. When you click that, it directs you to Traffic Authority. Now, Traffic Authority is an incredible resource for generating high quality traffic, because what you can do is go to the traffic store right here, look at these different packages of clicks and the prices, and if you have a little bit of extra money, you can purchase clicks to your link. Okay, so what this basically does is, if you purchase, let's say $220 worth, that's 170 to 190 clicks. You put in right here your link. Okay, you can just literally take this link here. Let me open this here. You go here, you can put that in. Okay, you just put in, add a new card, debit or credit. You agree to the terms and you place order. And within a day or so, you'll start getting clicks, real people, real traffic to your link. A good portion will put their email in, start getting followed up with, and you'll start making sales. Now, if you don't have a lot of extra money, you can just make posts on Facebook. A lot of people don't realize that you can use your social media to just make posts, okay? Now, you may think, Garrett, what post do I make? I don't have any following. I don't have any friends on my Facebook. I don't have any, followers on Twitter, which you can also use to promote as well. That's what my YouTube channel's for, okay? Go through my YouTube videos, look up Facebook affiliate marketing, look up Twitter, okay? I have an Instagram affiliate marketing training that shares with you exactly how to get leads, traffic, and sales just using social media. And again, if you use, whether one of these affiliate programs or you use my #1 recommended one at this time right now, that's gonna allow you to generate the commissions when you send traffic to it. And again, that's exactly how I've been able to generate $4,000 in just 48 hours online. Well, anyway, my friend, I hope you got a tremendous amount of value. And again, there's gonna be a link directly below. When you put your email in on that page, I'll be able to send you a free video to your email inbox, giving it more overview on how this system works so you can really understand it and why it's my top recommended one after 5 years online. And last but not least, my friends, so you never miss my weekly videos, be sure to click the subscribe button if you haven't already and hit that notification bell so you're notified of my latest videos every single week. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next training.